What, honey?
You.
What,
Damn.
what happened? What happened?
That's ridiculous.
What is ridiculous?
Train have sharp wheels, and you need to turn them. Train have sharp wheels. Put the sharp wheels and get the track.
Ah, she forgot track. Oh, there's no
Yes,
track.
we always build the track before train come on it. We don't go on the road because this all over the road, and this is the track, and the upper one is the track, and outside is the road, and we need to put the train outside the track, and we need to put the train in the track, Mama.
Oh, we're gonna buy the track. I'm sorry, I forgot.
And buy the sharp wheels.
Okay.
This is not the sharp wheels. This is the soft wheels.
But we need, for your name, we need a soft wheel. Otherwise, if I'm gonna put the sharp wheels, it's gonna break your name. That's why we got the soft wheel.
I told you on choo-choo train we don't get names on the choo-choo train. Let's get some wagons.
Oh.
Not just names.
So you want me to return it?
Return my name. My name that start on the car, not on the choo-choo train. Choo-choo train doesn't have my names. Choo-choo train doesn't have anybody's name. Not Jolene's name, not my friend's name, nobody. And not my name either.
No, Chatika, you're right.
I wasn't know that. Take a bite.
Now sit down, eat the breakfast.